Hello everybody, my name is David Oman and I am with Genesis Archery, and today I'd like to take a few moments to talk to you about the Genesis bow. Before we get to that bow, I'm going to point out some features that you're going to find on a typical high-end bow. Right here we have an example of something that you'd probably find in the store. You got a nice machined aluminum riser, composite limbs, you got machine cams. This bow is a 2-cam bow, which is pretty typical for what you're going to see. Both cams have to be in sync with each other. Otherwise, if they're out of time, you're going to run into some shooting issues. Maybe the bow's just not going to feel quite right, and accuracy is going to be affected a little bit. The other thing to note with a typical bow is that you have draw specific lengths on it. So whereas my son might be able to shoot this bow, if I draw this back, this is way too short for me. So if we want to enjoy an afternoon of shooting together, you know, we got to bring 2 different bows, or we have to bring a bunch of tools to make it work and adjust it as we go. So in contrast, what I'd like to talk to you about with the Genesis bow is some of the features and benefits of the single cam technology, and why it's a great shooting bow for you and the entire family all in one shot. All right, we got a Genesis bow here. I'm going to show you some of the features. We have a machined aluminum riser. We have composite limbs. Both of these things are the type of features you're going to find on a high-end $1,000 bow. You also have patented single cam technology. This cam design allows you to have no let-off. It's not draw length specific, and compared to a 2-cam bow, you're not going to have the same timing issues. It's going to just give you a comfortable shot. It's going to be smooth and it's going to be accurate. Let's talk about the draw length real quick. Since this is not draw length specific, I can shoot this bow, I can draw it back, you know, to where I'm comfortable. I can also pass this bow off to my son or my daughter, let them shoot it, and if they can only pull back to here, that's just fine. You know, anyone can shoot this bow, whether you're a kid or you're an adult. So really what you find here is a total package in one little bow. It's great for the whole family. For more information on Genesis, the bow that's used by more than 2.5 million kids a year, visit genesisbow.com.